Personalize, usually welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you a hair curler. So in case you guys are looking for a good hair color, then definitely this review will help you. So this is from Professional Curly Hair 3-in-1 hair curler, and it is like a really great review. So this one is from Amazon. So let's open it and see how this product looks. So I will show you a demo also. So let's open it and see. So this is a 3-in-1 hair curler. Yeah. So this is it comes with like a one gloves, and this is a curler. Yeah, it looks nice. Oh wow.
Oh no,
Wow.
it works.
It looks, yeah. It's like a different type of color. I have other colors, but I didn't have this kind of color. So let's see how it works. It comes with like two clips like this, and one user manual how to use this one.
You need one. Hey. Now the next one. Here. Oh.
After turning on, you can see here is yeah, it's turned on. You can see here is the display, which is like really cool, like a mini display, and you can increase the temperature like this way. You can make it like 250.
Wow, it's a chip. It's a.
And you can decrease the temperature here. So I'll make the temperature around 250.
It's a cross sugar.
You can increase the temperature here in the plus, and decrease the temperature in the minus. It's pretty simple, and here is the display, so you can see the temperature, how much temperature you like. To lock the temperature, you can press one time so that you can lock the temperature. So I'm setting the temperature around like 250. I'm using this one, this spray. Protect the hair from, you can use any spray, but I'm using this one. Okay, so let's yeah, you can see the waves. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, yeah, it looks nice. The curls are, yeah, you can see the curl, not bad. You have to like put it little longer time so that you can get the curls are like little visible. Yeah, you can see the curls, so good. It's like for the wavy hair, like a little bit curl, not for the like yeah. If I make it like this way, probably it works fine. I mean, if you are looking for a like a nice 3-1 color, then this one is fine, but I don't think these are like healthier option for your hair. Otherwise this curling iron is works fine as the way it designed, it works fine. And yeah, and I like the display and the colors and everything looks perfect. And I don't have any complaint about this product because it works fine as per the way it is designed. But I know it's not very healthy option for my hair. Otherwise it's fine. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.